What's up everybody, Thomas and the DCIV. As you can see, it's still dark outside. We're gonna go today to Carsid. See if we can get in and not gonna get kicked out this time. David is joining the ride and Suno's on his way. So wait for them to get here and let's get cracking. And we are there. Suno arrived. David is grabbing his stuff. It's a little bit rainy. We're gonna try to get inside. We already found a hole. Many holes were patched, but we found already one. We're gonna try. So let's go. So we arrived. Found a quick entry. Now we just take the last few corners. Nice. Oh, they cleaned it up here, huh? All set up.
Just to flex on you. I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you, I find you very attractive. Would you go to bed with me? I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you go to bed with me? I've noticed you around. Would you go to bed with me? I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you go to bed with me?
Useless, but now the future is
Do you wanna be loved? Do you wanna be touched like you never? If I gave you my heart, would you pull it apart and make a runaway? I don't wanna play silly games, we've grown now. Daddy never stayed. So if you're the same, you can run now. And I said bye, bye, bye. I said bye, bye, bye. And I said bye, bye, bye.
one special request. All the ladies, all the women, them reach out from early and arrive representing in style you don't know. This is how we do it. Let's get your drink and everything is getting.
And I said bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna play. Daddy never stayed. So if you're the same, you can run out. And I said bye, bye, bye.
And cracking weed, I think I busted 3 motors. It's pretty lame. Gonna fix it at home. It was a nice day. It was pretty grimy, but the Polar Vista hold out strong. So I didn't fly my 03 this time. Pretty happy that I had the Vista with me. So definitely keep bringing that with me. And we're out the Bando. And a successful Bando only is successful if you're on your way on your own accord. Because if you got kicked out, it's not successful. So guys, keep it cracking.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.